Welcome in the first video of ETL in Power BI Desktop. ETL stands for Extract, Transform, Load. That means extracting data from external sources to Power BI, transforming them in Power Query Editor, and loading them in Power BI Desktop. If you start Power BI Desktop, in the opening screen you can already extract data if you click on Get Data. Other ways to get your data, to extract them, is here on top, where in the part where it says data, you can click on Get Data and then select one of the sources from which you want to extract data. If that's Excel, which is going to be the case most of the time for this class, you click on the Excel workbook icon. This is a different way. If you click on import data from Excel, let's try it this way. And then a folder opens. You navigate to the folder where your Excel file is downloaded or saved. You select the Excel file which you want to extract. Then you click on open. And then all the sheets of that Excel file will appear. And you select the sheets which you want to extract in Power Query Editor or in Power BI directly. You see, if you select a sheet, you see on the right a preview of the content. Okay, I'm gonna select all the 5 sheets here. Below you see some suggested tables. Those are tables that Power BI suggests to you in which some data is filtered out. And so you've seen in some of the tables that I selected, it's pretty obvious that there is data that is not part of the table itself. So, for instance, if we check this one, first row as a header, or remove top rows, sorry, you see the first couple of rows have been deleted, right? If you want to be 100% sure that Power BI doesn't delete any information, it's safest to just select all the sheets, the original sheets. All right, if you click on transform data, the data will be extracted into Power Query Editor. So that puts you right in the spot to start transforming. If you click on load, the data will already be loaded in Power BI Desktop. I'm gonna click on load, and then it's gonna take some time for the data to load. We're not gonna wait for that. I have a different version open already where the same data was loaded. And then you see here on the right that there are 5 tables, the tables we just extracted. All right. We're here in Power BI Desktop. This is not a place where we can transform. We can transform data in Power Query Editor. So to go to Power Query Editor from Power BI Desktop, you click on Transform Data. And then you see Power Query Editor opens and the transforming can begin. I've extracted the data of the first file, right? I'm not gonna do this for all of the other files. I'm only gonna be talking about the transforming. So I assume you now know how to extract data from Excel files, and the next videos will start right off with the data already extracted.